I never thought it could happen to me.
Una de cada 3 mujeres en todo el mundo es expuesta a la violencia en algún momento de su vida.
It's fine. I just fell down. Everything's fine.
In 70 to 80% of intimate partner homicides, no matter which partner was killed, the man abused the woman before the murder.
Yo no quiero involucrarme. No es mi asunto.
70% of female domestic violence victims report telling someone about what had happened to them. Yet, more than half of those women report that no one helped them.
Domestic violence is not that big of a deal.
A nivel mundial, la violencia entre parejas es la causa principal de lesiones no mortales a las mujeres.
I was too young to know what was happening.
Infants and young children exposed to domestic violence experience so much added stress that it can alter their brain chemistry and development.
Sometimes I see things happen.
Los estudios sugieren que hasta 10 millones de niños son testigos de alguna forma de violencia doméstica cada año.
Kids will forget about all of this over time.
Un estudio de Michigan de niños de la edad preescolar enseñó que los niños que están expuestos a la violencia doméstica sufren de estrés postraumático, como orinarse en la cama y tener pesadillas. En comparación, tienen problemas de gripa, dolores de cabeza, alergias, asma y problemas gastrointestinales.
She put up with it for me.
Children who experience childhood trauma, including those that witness domestic violence, are at a far greater risk of developing adult health problems. Tobacco use, substance abuse, obesity, heart disease, cancer, depression, and a higher risk for unintended pregnancy.
He wasn't even born yet.
Children of mothers who experience prenatal physical domestic violence are at an increased risk of exhibiting aggressive, anxious, depressed, or hyperactive behavior.
He promised he'd never hurt the kids.
The number one predictor of child abuse is abuse of women.
Domestic violence is not really a problem in the United States.
Every 9 seconds in the U.S., a woman is assaulted or beaten. On an average, 3 women are murdered by their significant other in this country every day.
My son knows better than to get involved.
In a 3-year study of 146 children between the ages of 11 and 17 who had come from homes where domestic violence was observed, all of the boys over the age of 14 attempted to intervene and protect their mothers from being attacked. During those incidents, 62% of them were injured.
Domestic violence isn't just a woman's issue.
1 in 7 men will be the victim of domestic violence in their lifetime. It is everyone's issue.
The kids will learn from our mistakes.
Niñas que presencian violencia doméstica son más vulnerables de ser víctimas de jóvenes y adultas. Niños que presencian violencia doméstica son mucho más vulnerables de convertirse en abusadores de sus parejas y o hijos cuando son adultos.
I have no place to go.
Napa Emergency Women's Services can help. The number is 255-NEWS or 255-6397. We're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in English or in Spanish.
The Napa Police Department is committed to assisting victims and children affected by domestic violence. We recognize children who witness domestic violence can be affected both emotionally and physically. Domestic violence doesn't just affect the 2 people involved. It affects the entire community. Please don't be a silent bystander.